Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000-mile complimentary recommended services. Let's take a closer look. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, step rails, deep tinted glass. The Chevy Silverado 1500 is a strong contender in the full-size pickup segment thanks to its capable performance and great highway manners. This Silverado has 17-inch bright machined alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size tire, rear splash guards, and tire pressuring monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Silverado is in great condition. It has halogen reflecting headlamps along with daytime running lamps, recovery hooks, and a really nice chrome honeycomb grille with the iconic Chevrolet emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a very powerful 8-cylinder 5.3-liter engine with the automatic transmission. The Silverado has the 4-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget the Silverado only has 22,811 miles. At the back of the Silverado you can see the cargo lamp and locking tailgate with easy lift and lowering, along with the chrome bumper and corner steps, the tow package, and the large brake lights with sleek badging. In the back seat, you'll notice the Silverados have been very well taken care of. The passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders and power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. These seats also fold up, and there's child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice silver interior accents, and the driver and passenger alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable heated cloth seating. You have a very large console for storage, plenty of cup holders, and power outlet. This Silverado is equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and OnStar. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, headlights, power door locks, power windows with one touch up and down. The Silverado has a very comfortable tilting and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise control, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM and FM radio and CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible and is easy to connect to your devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You can also use the automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. And again, this vehicle is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as the 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty, parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, a lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the Lifetime Vehicle Exchange Program, where we will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at 888-272-5869 or visit us again at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.